Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. You know that I am your lady Tania.
Welcome to part 2 of a very touching story. On the 4th of December 1984, Lloyd met in an accident where he fell off a train and the train wheels ran over his feet, leaving him without legs. He was 35. Lloyd was asked if he was compensated by the Jamaica railway station. He stated that he was given a little smalls, nothing major, and it was used to cover medication, food, and pay bills in the 1980s. He further stated that he could not recall the amount, but it did not last. Remember guys to visit the YouTube channel Chat Jamaican with Tania to watch part 1, as this is a 2-part series. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell. Guys, please like and share the video. We will continue Lloyd Ashley's story, and we will also see and hear from his wife, Mrs. Iselin Ashley. Please watch the entire video.
Things,
Yes.
I still don't give up. Uncle some good hands to help me. There's some people who decide to help. Can't help lazy people. No.
So you have to work hard, same way.
Same way.
So you have children?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
so where are they now? Overseas?
No.
Oh, okay.
They're out here. Them have a little small, but everybody has them problem. My little help them. They try their best, but told me want the place 6 months. That's the greatest problem.
You need help with fixing the place.
Man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Who I live like somebody. Me no crop. I'm not a crop.
Okay.
Live comfortable.
Yeah. I mean, can't bother to go there, so go sit down and stretch out hand to some little penny party.
This is Mrs. Iselin Ashley, Lloyd's wife. Let us discuss and have a conversation with them.
Yeah, so how long have you been living with your husband? Or how long have you guys been married?
Oh,
like 80 what?
you know, from when 1990, the first day of January. 1990, the first.
So when after your accident you got married to her?
We were married before and that come in, so it never happened until 1990.
Oh.
First day of January, one Monday.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I don't know if I didn't mean if he would stay with me, darling. Stay me don't run. Me stay with him, stay with him. Because we get 4 kids.
Yes.
And I know somebody take him up and he don't look away. People tell me say find them would gone.
So you just stick it out with him?
Take it out. I know somebody take him up. But as me tell you, say I don't know if I did me, if he would stay.
Would stay same way. A good man.
You feel?
A good
Yeah, man, a good man.
Good man.
So,
Mm-hmm.
that is so.
Okay, so you support him. How you go about supporting him, knowing that he's still working and all of that?
Well, we support him well for some time. The money don't big as for as you don't know, you would know say it would come in big little. But me give God thanks and me turn around as how me can do it.
Yes.
Right. Sometime then take long indeed. I work with one man, sometime he come in not even a cent. Me tell him, say, boy, you no have no money, no get no money, if we wait till the next day, and we have to stop it and go on.
Yeah, so the man don't give him any money?
That's the next day.
Oh.
So we have to go to we bed. But you know, you waiting on that money to
turn over.
turn up, cook little food and to eat and so. So it's very hard on us. Right now we there, my daughter buy me one feed for the Mother's Day. It get long time later. We call one man now, the man come to work for him, say round the back of the feed, rat me out. We say, what you can do? He say only that cut it out. But and the man turned to me and said, he have a fridge there, somebody did give him wife. We so glad for it.
Sam, bring it.
Yes,
Oh.
it's there now.
Yeah.
And then from him bring it every minute, he gone. We call him back, Right now the empty fridge open the final.
Oh, so you need a fridge.
We need a fridge, my honey bunch.
Yes.
We need a fridge. Like when you buy anything, you little vegetable, you little
long storage.
Right.
And no,
So then this try to,
and no problem.
before they try to help.
Then come and rob you guys.
Yes. Plant orange and then come, you know them and the little one, they might come and be a little.
Not even a year yet. We have one Rami here. You couldn't come and give me 30,000, me wouldn't take it from me.
A big boat that
Just right up so. Hey.
Then come and thief a goat.
It's our sap tree there. And we gone to bed the Wednesday night. Or the Wednesday night. And the man in the little dummy some get up figure move the go and he come. You know, and he
No goat.
No goat. Until now we don't know who take it.
I think a little rebel we get.
So the grace of God make we stand.
One morning, you see, we have some cows there, so. When we raise our cows, you know. One my poor and come out, so come right where you stand up and so and take away.
Yes, we did get a break up of the Catholic, you know, Catholic no pay money. And but me still a go and me call like that and say, me do not see the cow them.
Yes.
He turned to me and say, how me mean me don't see the cow? Me say, me don't see none, come down here and look.
Thief them, man.
Gone.
And you know, so when they thief those cows, the heart never left. And me take this same donkey and start on the road. And me go and me see the cow foot and me see the rope mark. And when me reach a third, it was telling somebody and they must show me to everywhere. Then go up and load the cows them. The truck can't go up.
The truck stuck.
Everywhere
There is
them
where did fall the night.
You
Through
see?
the day slept till the night. So them a take night to thief the cow and the truck stuck. So God no dead.
It truck
Stuck.
the
But when we
last
do
place.
get back the cow them like then jugs up the cow them. Then.
Oh, they must inject them.
Cow them dead.
Keep a fly. I may have one little one. And me say, like, you know what? Me a done with for me. And he call one man fi buy one of him. The man say no fi mash them up. Him fi keep back one. Me never keep none. Me sell and buy back one. And then did they tell them pitch away and then die. Don't get nothing. Mommy, we are meeting. Me don't know if them things say we are get no money for no way. And we have it make them a try.
Or just thief, then just nose on around and just target, you know?
Yes.
Yes.
You don't have no close neighbor.
No,
I
not
that.
No, yes, right.
the one who do it, one dead.
Oh.
And me look at the other one, you know.
Oh, so you know them?
Yeah, I did know them because it was a Sunday. And me was riding the same donkey and me go up by the line, you know. You see a car out there. And when they see me coming up, you know, the car start to drive. But so me, that time the donkey did pass. So me going down close by the car, although the road bad, it might move harder and
Faster.
fast. And me go up by a next neighbor by the road. Ask him, who them guys in that car? He said, he make out and say, okay, you know, say them man they up to something. Them man they up to something. At the time to backside. Me know say me call them then
Call
come
them
in
up
and
and
pray.
pray.
But me have one big bull in it, you know. Because everybody you know wonder how me no have no foot to look after it. But he tie right over there. So the cow no make noise. But if him them did lose.
What about them
He
done?
would kill them.
Yes.
He would kill them because he don't like stranger. You come on here so and him there so we are right, but me turn me back. You never go there and lose him. And the man them do me that. And from there so me can't come. So them come not even a year yet since they come they come TV.
Oh, God.
And I right up it's a good time.
Yes. Right in the yard.
Right in the yard. But they walk around so.
The morning when we get up, we see where their foot chuck through the ground.
Then I try to take a donkey before.
No,
Oh.
no.
They don't want no donkey.
They will thief it.
Then we thief a donkey, man.
They will thief it, but waiting. Two she old. Cause right now,
Oh, if him probably younger.
Cause me suppose we are seeing now we get another one. Because if me right go to church and thing. You understand? If me get a younger one, Uncle Dane can't tie all them places. Like me, nobody don't know where me put it. So it's a hard road.
Okay.
Hard road to travel and a mighty long way to go.
So you ever ride on the donkey with him yet?
No, my honey buns.
Yeah, right, funny, man.
We don't ride on this land.
Oh my.
Oh my God.
So which church you go, Mr. Lloyd?
St. Cloud.
Oh,
Bala.
Upper Bala. Okay.
Okay.
Because it's just a 3/4 mile from here to Balaclava.
Yeah, man, you just chat through process.
The road is.
You always walk on the line?
Yeah, person come
That's
down.
the first me I come on here.
Okay.
So which one from here so them say river there?
Down.
Down there so
I
you
see a
can
road.
walk here
You
so
go
you can
across.
walk out this and go through the common.
Okay.
Yeah, end up at the river.
Uncle Piggy used to down there.
Yeah. That's why me I inquire, you know.
He meant down every day, you know, because when I drive the sheriff, you know,
Yeah.
he hold out there so and cane me, no man, so, and him used to come
Okay.
out, so, you know,
I go and get
yeah,
the cane.
all down there, yeah man, so him know all that. Time him leave the truck down and walk, go fire them.
Okay.
Yeah, because I just chat through the song.
You high car,
Mm-hmm.
and me and you tire so. If me and put, me go fire there when you come, you can't see me, you know.
Yeah.
You
know, say I just
Oh,
feel this song.
just come through this and go.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
Yeah,
that
man.
was good too.
All right. So
I'm so happy to meet you guys.
yeah. And thank you for having us.
Yes, darling. And
I
you
hope
safe
this-
travel now.
I hope this thing may work out somewhere.
Yes, my honey bun.
Yes, yes.
And remember me fridge if you can get no.
Oh, okay, no problem.
If nobody, you know,
Want to donate a fridge?
yeah,
Yes.
to these people, Lloyd Ashley.
Mm.
Lloyd, my name is Lloyd Ashley.
Yes. All right. So if
Yeah,
I want to know
so, give me the name again.
Lloyd
Right,
Ashley.
All right.
Isoline Ashley. I am married, but me married now. Ashley. Same Ashley.
So we have Lloyd Ashley and Mrs. Isoline Ashley, and you're the happy couple.
Yeah.
And Doris in the back.
Yes, and Doris the donkey.
Protect Doris.
Yes, I'm gonna take some pictures now, but hold on. Wait, come again.
There were people are going to know.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Bye.
Bye bye.